Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dishwasher lower spray arm. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new lower spray arm. The lower spray arm cleans the dishes in the lower dish rack. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and the dishes aren't getting clean. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we have to take out the lower rack. All you have to do is pull it out and lift it off the door. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Now that we have the rack out of the way, we can take out the lower spray arm. It's just held in by this nut in the middle. We're going to hold onto the spray arm and use the pliers to turn this nut. And it's reverse thread, so we're going to go clockwise to release it. Once you have it unscrewed, we can lift the lower spray arm up and pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old lower spray arm next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new lower spray arm in, we're just going to set it onto the bolt, and we're going to use the pliers again, and then we're just going to grab it, and remember it's reverse thread, so we're going to go counterclockwise to tighten it down. Once you have it tightened down, we can put the lower dish rack back in. To put the rack back on, all you have to do is set it on the door and then push it back into the dishwasher. Once you have it in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.